maintaining your healthy, natural weight can seem overwhelming, our team at Rebecca Bitzer and Associates are here to give you a few quick tips to get you started on your journey. Tip number 1, prepare your own meals. Cooking at home is one of the most important tools for healthy weight management, but of course, this is easier said than done sometimes. Your dietitian can help you with meal planning, writing a grocery list, and prioritizing your commitments to help you get a healthy, nutritious meal on the table faster than ever. Tip number 2, adopt a health-focused approach versus a weight-focused approach. The health-focused approach supports adopting habits for the sake of health and well-being rather than weight control. Tip number 3, develop a self-care regimen. Self-care is essential in weight management, and you can work with your dietitian who will help you provide the tools and ideas for developing one for yourself. For more information on how we can help you maintain a healthy weight and to work with one of our trusted nutrition professionals, please give us a call at 301-474-2499 or visit our website today.